Okay, declutter moment. Look at this pile. Look, my dog's in the midst of the pile. Keep.
So keep?
Keep. She had a good Instagram photo, but time to let her go. Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. I am so excited to have you here today. We have a closet declutter. I just did a closet tour. I will be sure to link it down below. I'm actually going to be doing another one soon because I am moving. I just got my first apartment, so I'll have a closet tour in like a month, 2 months, so stay tuned. But I have a ton of stuff I need to get rid of right now so I can, you know, replenish. I'm always getting new clothing items. Like if you look on this closet, like I just have a ton of new clothing items. I need to fit stuff in here and I have no room, so we're gonna get rid of a ton of items. I'm gonna be giving all this to my friends and family. I'm not gonna be selling any of it. So yeah, we're just gonna get rid of some old trends, bring in some new trends, talk about some essential pieces, and you know, have a little closet declutter. If you're excited for this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and follow my social medias on the screen to see me style outfits. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's kind of an overview of my closet at this current moment. I've got hoodies and stuff up there, some purses up in those two bins, and then I just have a bunch of stuff hanging and then all my shoes down below. Okay, so I'm gonna start in this corner over here and kind of talk about some pieces that I'm not keeping and stuff like that, and then like also essentials like I just said. If I talk about anything specific that I say, I'll link down below. Be sure to check out the description box if I have any like specifics down below for you guys. I have way too many bodysuits, so we're gonna be sure to go through all of these really quickly. So I kept the cuts that I liked, like the certain cuts at the top. So I'm gonna get rid of these like skim ones. They are like slip-on kind of. I think they're from the Butter collection. I just don't really find that I style these well, and I feel like I just have so many of them in my collection that I don't need these. So I have these two colors I'm getting rid of. And I also have this black and then this brown. Believe it or not, all these other ones are essentials, whether I wear them on a daily basis or not. These are just something you never get rid of because you always like typically gravitate towards them. Like you're always gonna need a bodysuit to go under things or as your top. So I always keep a big amount with me, but these are all essential cuts that I really like in colors. I'm gonna get rid of this Free People one. I don't wear it, and I honestly don't like the buttons at the bottom of the Free People ones. I feel like it's like so thick and super uncomfortable down there, so this one's getting a goodbye. Goodbye. I have a ton of like graphic tees, so I'm definitely keeping like all of these. Absolutely love this one, it's my favorite. And then I have this one, so I'm keeping all of these. Definitely year-round essentials, and I love collecting these. I'm gonna hold on to my Kanye West shirts just for a little bit longer, and if I don't end up wearing them, I will go ahead and just resell them. The cut on these aren't my favorite, and I forgot how much I didn't like the cut on these two, which is the same on this one when I ordered it a few months on StockX. So I'm going to wait it out, see how I can style these, and if I don't end up wearing them, I'll get rid of these in my next closet declutter, which will probably be in like 2-3 months because I'm always decluttering my closet. I get so much stuff from brands and I wear it and then it's just like out of style or something, and then I just like to donate it to someone else. Definitely getting rid of the Shein like crop top. I don't really like zebra print anymore. I don't know. I bought zebra print thinking I was gonna wear it, and then I just like don't gravitate towards it. I am gonna keep this shirt from Urban. I haven't worn it yet. I got it like a good like long time ago, but I like it. It's cute. I like the colors. Definitely think I can style this super well. I just need the occasion for it. Gonna get rid of this like crop top from Adika. I don't really like the shininess of the black. I just need a regular cropped like turtleneck that's long sleeve without like the shiny kind of material. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm also gonna get rid of this top from Misguided. It just didn't wash up well, and it has like those little like pillings on it. Not a fan. Found an empty hanger. We love that. We love finding extra hangers. I actually just got this top from Tiger Mist. I have an Instagram photo wearing it. I'll throw it up on the screen. This top is so cute. It's called a Lenny top. And if you look under my links, highlights on Instagram, you'll see this top linked. It's adorable. Definitely go pick it up. It's super unique and the color is so beautiful. I'm gonna retire this top from Urban. Yeah, it's getting retired. I don't really gravitate towards this right now, but I picked it up like 4 or 5 months ago on Princess Polly. Maybe it was 4 months ago. It's not something, like I said, I gravitate towards now, but it's an essential top. It's a really pretty royal blue, and I definitely can style it well. It's just in this season, I haven't reached for it, but I know that's not to say I won't reach for it in 2 months, 3 months. So I'm gonna keep this because I love the color, and when I got it, I was in love with it, so we're gonna keep her. I've gotten a crazy amount of use out of this shirt from Shop Colorful Natalie. I'm gonna keep it because I still feel like it's super in style and very trendy. It's supposed to look ragged, by the way, before someone called me out. I just enjoy this top. I think it has a lot of elements to it that I really enjoy, and it's really easy to style. We love that. I actually just picked this top up from Urban. Look how cute it is. It's kind of like hard to see without like trying it on, but it's like a little crop top. I love that. And this orange is super vibrant, super in right now. So I already styled this on Instagram. I'll throw it up over here. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it because it's not something I'm wearing right now and I don't see myself wearing it again. I'm not really the biggest fan of pink. I know it's crazy. I like pink sometimes. It has to be a certain color, but I just don't like this anymore. So getting rid of her. She had a good little round. She had a good Instagram photo, but time to let her go. Keep, definitely keeping. This is an essential, definitely keeping. It's from Zara. I really love all these tops. I'm gonna keep it for now, but I can always get rid of it if I want to. But right now I'm gonna keep it. Another zebra moment, not sure what I was thinking, but I'm getting rid of this for sure. Like, it's leaving like right now. She was a cute little number, but it's time for her to go. So we're going to get rid of her. She is not my favorite anymore. I honestly hate that I buy things and I don't wear them, but I'm gonna get rid of this. Sorry, to my wallet. I have not worn this, but I'm still gonna keep this. I really love this skirt, super cute. I haven't gotten to style this number yet, but I'm going to very soon. Keeping the tennis skirt because I think it'll come back in trend. So I'm just gonna keep it so I don't have to buy another one. Definitely keeping these shorts. Love these so much. So for this like midsection, this is all stuff I have to film on for a brand. So I'm gonna scoot this over and we are going to act like we already went through it because I'm keeping it all, of course. I just picked these up from Tiger Mist. I love these pants. These are called the Teddy Pant Chocolate. I love them. So cute. And I just picked up like all of these as well. I'm gonna get rid of these. They're from Misguided. They're just like not really the best quality and I don't wear them. So I'm gonna give them to someone that will get use out of them and will wear them. Extra hanger. Keep.
So keep.
I'm gonna get rid of these from Princess Polly. These are going goodbye. Not the skinny jeans that I bought from Nordstrom and I haven't worn. They're just not my thing. I'm gonna stop buying skinny jeans. I just don't wear them. You know, we're definitely getting rid of these zebra pants for sure. Saying goodbye. Bye-bye. I have a love-hate relationship with these dresses. Like, I feel like they're essentials and I need to keep them in case I have to wear them to something. I just haven't worn them in years. I haven't worn the black one ever, but I wore the white one. But I'm gonna keep them because, like I said, they are essentials. And I should probably just keep them in my closet. Ooh, I love these. I just got these from Urban. They are the Mallory cowl neck slip dress. I got it in black and then white. I wore them for my brother's graduation. I'll start the photo over here. I wore the black one with some white, like Balenciaga chunky sneakers and my green Prada purse. It was a number. It was beautiful. I loved it. These are essentials and I need more colors. Definitely keeping her for a little blazer moment. Saying goodbye to this crip dress. It's just the color is super revealing, shows a lot of stuff in the tummy area. Not a flattering color if you have like any sort of like mush, which I definitely do. Never wore her. This is from Misguided. It's like a oversized denim shirt dress. I'm sure I'm gonna regret getting rid of this, but as of this current moment, I don't want it in my closet. So, you know, I'm just trying to eliminate what I can and not keep it. So it's going goodbye. Also saying goodbye to this Free People number. I've had this for like 3 years. Definitely got a lot of use out of it when I had it. It's like a army like bomber jacket, but I just don't wear it anymore. It's not really my vibe, my style, and I don't see myself wearing this in the near future, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Someone who loves it will embrace it and want it, so bye-bye. As much as I don't wear cardigans, I'm gonna keep this Zara little cardigan in case I need to cover up, you know, need a little warm vibe. I'm gonna keep this for that reason. I'm gonna get rid of these pants. I think these are from Doll's Kill. Oh. I've had them for like 3 years. I don't wear them anymore, so let's get rid of them. I'm gonna get rid of these Princess Polly like leather pants. I don't like the material of them and they smell weird.
Okay, weird smell.
So yeah, and I'm pretty sure I don't fit them anymore because my dump truck got huge. So we're just gonna say bye to those. It's a tough choice.
So keep?
I'm gonna keep these. I feel like I can style these super well for spring, so I'm gonna keep them. Talk about this new number that I just purchased. I love these jeans. Spring Vibe 2. These are adorable. I just remember these fully show my butt cheeks, so I'm gonna get rid of these. Sadly, they're really cute, but can't be showing too much, you know? It's cute, but I'm over it. I'm over this. Okay, that's it for the clothes. I got rid of a ton of clothes. Let's look at them real quick, and then let's move on to sneakers. I have a few sneakers I don't want, don't need, don't wear. And then we're gonna move on to like the top stuff, like hoodies and stuff like that. Okay, declutter moment. Look at this pile. Look, my dog's in the midst of the pile, but I got rid of a good amount of stuff. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. It already looks cleaner, right? And then obviously I have all this stuff to put away once I film on it for a brand, and then that stuff as well. But we're gonna go through all my sneakers down here and then go through all this top stuff and then we're done. And then we have a good amount of stuff decluttered. Okay, I'm gonna be super honest. We're gonna get rid of these really quick. So I don't wear these. These are going bye-bye. I don't really wear Air Forces and I don't honestly like these. So saying goodbye to those. I'm also gonna go ahead and get rid of these. They were beautiful while they lasted. Just kidding, wait, I have an attachment to these. I actually just looked at them and I can't get rid of them because I think they're so pretty. Okay, just kidding, not getting rid of those. These, we'll keep those as like a beater sneaker. I feel like I have another one to get rid of. I don't need all these, really don't. Need room for more, honestly. I feel like I have more. I'm gonna get rid of these Jordans. These are mids. Not really the biggest fan of these, even though I have not worn them. I'm stupid. I should honestly sell these, but I'm kind of too lazy for that. But yeah, they're super pretty. Like, look, they're really pretty. I just don't wear them, and I hate breaking in new sneakers. And I'd rather have like the dunk highs of these that are like this kind of version rather than the mid. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of these because I've had them for like 9 months and I haven't worn them. Bella, no more. No more, no more. Okay, I need to get rid of one more pair. I'm trying to figure out which ones that I need to get rid of. Really hard decision. I feel like I do need to get rid of those. I don't know, I feel like I should. I can't style these. Like, they're just kind of like, they're difficult. I don't know, man. I have nothing to style these with. Yep, they're going. Adios, baby. You're really pretty, but I don't wear you anymore. Wore you twice and you were good while it lasted. Now I'm fully like, dang, did I get rid of these? No, I kind of like these. I'm still a fan of those. Okay, so now we're gonna reorganize and move all these down here so I can make room for all my new dunks. Okay, yay, we made room for my dunks over here. And when I move into my new apartment, I'm definitely like not gonna keep like everyday shoes on here. So I'll take all my Yeezys off because I wear those basically every single day. They're like my beater sneakers. Like, these babies are worn. I get so much use out of those. But you know, for now, this is how it's gonna go. And I'm really excited with the progress we've made. Now for a ladder to get up here because your girl is short and I definitely have some things I don't need up here. Okay, I'm getting on the ladder. I'm scared. I'm always scared I'm gonna fall. Okay, so I just got like these two jackets right here, so I'm gonna keep those, of course. But most of the stuff I'm getting rid of is like down here. I'm gonna get rid of these like joggers right here. Just kidding. I have an attachment to these. I'm keeping these for sure. What am I saying? Help. Did I keep these? These are pretty cool. Simple. What do I do? I should probably keep them. Okay. But I'm gonna get rid of these white sweatpants because they are stained. And that's not cute. So I'll have to get more from somewhere else. I remember when I got this and it's so cute, but I just don't know what kind of pants I'm gonna wear with it. Like, I know what sneakers I would wear and style it with, but pants, I'm a little conflicted. I'm gonna keep it to lounge around in, like to run errands in, but probably not like for styling purposes. So I only got rid of one thing up here. Definitely thought I had more, but I'm gonna give myself 2 months to wear the stuff that I'm like iffy on, and if I don't wear it, you'll see it in my next closet declutter. Yay! Okay, and here's the updated pile that also includes some of the sneakers I'm getting rid of. Pretty cool. Got rid of a good amount of stuff. I already feel like it just looks so much better in here, honestly. More straightened up. Gotta fix this. Obviously gotta fix this, but look how cute all this stuff is for some brand post. Like, what? Look at this shirt. So cute. Alright, you guys, that was my closet declutter. Nothing insanely crazy, but it was definitely like well needed. Like, I just go through phases, and I'm sure we all do, where you just got to declutter. I'm gonna organize that another day, but for now, it's just staying the way it is. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super therapeutic, honestly, and it was just much needed. My quote of the day is, going straight off the top of my head, just to keep pushing. And I know that's so ironic and so like basic to say, but I feel like a lot of people need to know, like, just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. You will find your way. You always will. And I love you, and I'm here for you, and I'm supporting you, and I am fully pushing you towards your goals. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Yes, I know, my pinky is not there. Like, my pinky nail, it's not there. Trust me, I'm gonna put it on like today. But I love you guys. Bye!